wanted to share a fun game that I play with my students. Say we have an extra 5 minutes at the end of class, or if they need a brain break. I play this with my middle schoolers, but it would be perfect for, I'd say, upper elementary all the way through high school, and it's called Snake. So how you play, and I have the directions typed up, is you would pick a word, honestly any word, and have all of the students write that at the top of their paper. Next, you can pick a category. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Third is you set a timer for 1 minute. Sometimes, like say that there's 3 minutes left of class, then I'll go ahead and give them the whole 3 minutes. And then 4, once the timer starts, students are going to write as many words as they can that comes to mind. The only rule, really the big rule, is that each word needs to start with the last letter of the previous word, and they also cannot repeat words. So I think it's gonna make more sense if I just show you an example. So this example doesn't have a category. So say that the word is snake. So all the students would write the word snake at the top of their paper. Notice that the word snake ends with the letter E. So E is going to be the first letter of the next word. So I decided to go with elephant. You'll notice that elephant ends with the letter T. So the next word is going to start with the letter T. So I went with turtle. Okay, turtle also ends with the letter E. So again, I can't repeat words, so I would have to come up with another one. So I went ahead and chose eggs. Again, there's no category, so students can write whatever is coming to their mind. I went with silly, so you kind of get how you play, and then you'll notice that it looks like a snake at the end. A common question that a lot of students will ask is, what if I misspell a word? And honestly, it is okay for this game as long as they get the starting letter and the ending letter correct, then it will still work. Sometimes I do turn it into a bigger lesson where I'll have my students circle any words that they think they misspelled, or I'll have them, partner up with a person next to them and see if they can correct the words that they misspelled, but that's 100% up to you. One thing that's cool about this game is that you can use it with any subject area. You can pick any category. I've used it as a review game, so many awesome uses for it. I did go ahead and type up a student version. So these are the student directions. So you notice that I tweaked the wording a little bit, and then I still provided that same example. If you're wanting access to that slideshow that I just showed you, or any of the other resources I share here on TikTok, I do have it in my teacher drive. So this one's in my back to school activities because I do usually introduce it the first week or two of school. So it's right here. And the cool thing about this is that it's a completely editable document, so you can change everything and tweak it to meet, your needs for your class.